Good morning, everyone. We'll start the morning call now. So, yesterday, US markets ended lower. Reports that Trump was considering an airstrike on Iran led to a deterioration in a sentiment. And today, two-day FOMC meeting will begin for a decision on the interest rates. So, while the US Fed Reserve is widely anticipated to keep the rates unchanged, markets will closely also track the Fed's guidance for future and also the threat from the rising oil prices. So Asian markets are also subdued in the morning trade, and Nifty is also indicating a slower start for Indian markets as well. Now I request the technical team to take the call forward.
Yes, good morning, everyone. Today, Nifty is looking on a flattish opening on a flattish note as it seems to be consolidating since past few months. And Until and unless the Nifty is about 24,400 levels, we can see a bullish rally or we can stay on the bullish side. And On the upside, 25,200 would be a good resistance. For intraday purposes, immediate support would be around 24,770 levels, where a close below that level can further expect a downside rally until 24,700 to 24,640 mark. On the resistance side, we can see a resistance at around 24,940 levels and further upside on 25,000 levels. On Bank Nifty, we can see the same movement. It has been in the congestion mode since past few days itself, and at around 54,800, above 54,800, the Bank Nifty seems to be positive until the immediate support can be around 55,500 levels. For the downside or a decisive close below that can expect a fall below 55 to 40 levels and 55,000 levels. So an immediate resistance can be seen at around 56,000 levels and 56 to 70 for the level upside. On the stock perspective, Nifty IT seems to be a good index to watch out for, wherein CG Power stock seems to be on a positive side, where a break above 700 levels can be crucial for it to rally again upwards with stop loss below 680 levels. The other stock can be good for a swing trade on the bullish side in IT would be TCS, where it has seen breaking its inverted head and shoulder pattern and seems to be rallying above 3,500 levels. A break above that can expect around 4,000 levels with the stops below 3,300 levels. That's all from the technical side. Now forward it to the derivative side.
Yeah, thank you, Yagnesh. On the derivative front, the overall data continues to be the same what it was yesterday. VIX is coming down, which is good. Open interest hasn't increased much, which is good. Highest open interest for Nifty options at calls is at around 25,000. If that is crossed above, we'll see further rally coming in. Until then, we can see some consolidation in between 24,500 to 25,000 levels. So nothing, no big change really in terms of Nifty. Only thing is yesterday lot of call built up was seen from 24,900 to 25,200 strike calls, and liquidation was seen in puts. That means participants are expecting some sort of resistance coming in around this 24,900 25,000 levels, and they're booking out of put sell positions. They expect some downside. So yeah, look out for the same. If 24,500 is broken below, we can expect selling to come in quite aggressively, which can probably take Nifty downwards up to 24 or even below. But again, in the last few trading sessions, 24,500 has acted as a very strong support area. So remains to be seen when Nifty comes there, it takes support or it goes below. Yeah. So from the stock specific front, at this point of time, no doubt pharma stocks witnessed some selling pressure in the previous trading sessions, but no real shorts have been seen. We still expect good buying in pharma going forward, especially Divi's Biocon can do well going forward. So look out for the same. Also, IT stocks have witnessed price volume breakout along with open interest rise. So most of the IT stocks should perform well. TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, HCL, Tech look the best. So yeah, they can still continue the rally. So yeah, that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Thank you, Neerav. Good morning, everyone. On the news front, Polycab India has entered into an agreement with BSNL for an order worth rupees around 6,450 crore. The agreement is with BSNL for design, supply, construction, and installation of BharatNet in Karnataka, Goa, and Pondicherry Telecom Circle. As per the order, it is expected to complete the construction in 3 years and has a maintenance contract for 10 years. So, overall, this is positive for the company. Bharat Forge has signed an MOU with French company to jointly offer RO UAV to the Indian Defense Ministry. This is a high altitude, long endurance drone designed for long range surveillance, equipped with advanced sensors and radar to monitor enemy activity from a safe distance. It will also set up a local production line for ROC in India. This will support the defense forces needs through domestic manufacturing and ensure full control over its servicing and maintenance. So overall, this is long term positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, so today on the IPO front, Aris Infra Solutions is opening for subscription. The bidding date is from today, that is 18 June to 20th June, and issue size is of 499.6 crore. Um, Harris will be repaying debt and use the proceeds for working capital requirements. So, to give a perspective about the firm, Harris Infra basically sources the building materials for construction and infra companies, for which it has created a modern B2B platform. It has around 1,500 vendors and so far has supplied to more than 2,000 plus customers across 900 pin codes. And the company is aggressively penetrating into this sector. Some of his clients include companies like J. Kumar Infra, Capicides Infra, Afcons, amongst many more. And recently, company has also started doing third-party manufacturing for its clients, which would, we believe, aid its margins going forward. In nutshell, to summarize, company no doubt operates in a niche business model supplying building materials. And it was EBITDA positive in FY24 and it has become PAT positive in the 9 months FY25. However, on the flip side, its data days of around 160 days is very high, and that leaves discomfort of its working capital management. And at upper price band of rupees 222, pricing is also very aggressive for the IPO. Therefore, we are giving a neutral rating to this IPO. Thank you. Okay,
Yeah,
that's it.
hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
just a second. Yeah, apart from this, Hindustan Zinc share may be offered in block deal by Vedanta. The offer price is floor price is 452.50, whereas the current price was 486. Uh, Even after this price, the valuation seems comparatively aggressive at 10 times EV by EBITDA FY27, which looks on the higher side. So it's better to be if any price correction is there, even thereafter, one may avoid this. Apart from that, Inox India has stated that they had got orders of around 392 crores in this current year, last 2.5 months. And all the three sectors has got reasonably good orders. The total order is 373 crores, whereas which is in a quarter they consistently do around 300 to 400 crores orders. So it's in more of a line or marginally positive as compared to what they were doing earlier. So marginal positive for Inox India Limited. Yeah, that's all from us. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are expecting gold prices test around 99,200, 99,100, whereby one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 98,700. On upside again, 99,500, 800 are the levels where one can book profits. Silver yesterday witnessed a major break from the consolidation and closed above 1,07,000. So all in all, looks positive. One can initiate a buy on dip strategy and maintain a buy around 1 lakh 8,500 with a stop loss of 1 lakh 7,500. On upside, 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 11,000 are the levels where one can book profits. In metals, copper looks good. One can buy around 880 with a stop loss of 875. On upside, 886, 88 are the levels where one can book profits. Also, zinc prices are consolidating, but one can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 250. And on upside, again, 255, 56 are the levels where one should book profits. Crude oil witnessed a rally yesterday and should buy on dips around 63.70 with a stop loss of 6300, and on upside 6500, 6570 are the targets we are eyeing for. Natural gas should buy on dips. One can initiate a buy around 327 with a stop loss of 317. On upside, 340 to 350 is the area where one can take profits. That's it from us. Thank you very much.